Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the Leetcode question number 163, missing ranges. The question is, you are given an inclusive range, lower and upper, and a sorted unique integer array nums, where all the elements are within the inclusive range. A number is considered missing if it is in the range and not in nums. Return the shortest list of ranges that exactly covers all missing numbers. We are given two examples in the question. In the first example, nums equals to 0, 1, 3, 50 and 75. And our lower is 0 and upper is 99. In this example, the missing ranges are 2, 2, which is between 1 and 3, 4, 49, which is between 3 and 50, 51 and 74, which is between 50 and 75, and 76 and 99, which is between 75 and 99. We are returning all the missing ranges as our output. In the second example, nums has only the number -1. And our lower and upper is also -1. In this example, there is no missing range, so hence we are returning the empty list as our output. I hope the question is clear. Now let's get into the approach. Let's take an example of this nums list which has the value 2, 13, 50 and 75. And our lower equals to 0 and upper equals to 99. As a first step, let's initialize the output list. I am going to name it as result. Now we will check the first number in our list. Our first number in our list is 2. If 2 is less than lower, we will insert lower and first -1. Our lower is 0 and our first number -1 is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Next, we will iterate from the second number and we will compare 13 with the previous number. We will check if the previous number plus 1 is equal to the current number. In our case, 2 plus 1, which is 3, is not equal to 13. So we will insert previous plus 1, comma, current -1. Our previous plus 1 is 2 plus 1, which is 3. And our current -1 is 13 minus 1, which is 12. Now we will iterate to the next number. Our next number is 50 and we will repeat the same steps. We will compare 50 with the previous number, which is 13. We will check previous plus 1 is equal to current. 13 plus 1, which is 14, is not equal to 50. So we will insert previous plus 1, comma, current -1. Previous plus 1 is 14 and current -1 is 49. Now we will iterate to the next element. Our next element is 75 and we will compare 75 with the previous element. Our previous element is 50. We will check if previous plus 1 is equal to current. In this case, 51 is not equal to 75. So we have a missing range. So we will insert 51 and 74. We have iterated till end of the list. Now we will check if the last element is less than the upper. In our case, 75 is less than 90. So we will add last plus 1, comma, upper. Last plus 1 is 75 plus 1, which is 76. And our upper is 99. That's pretty much it. Now we will return this list as our output. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. As a first step, let's declare the output list result equals to an empty list. If our input list is empty, we will just return lower and upper. If length of nums equals to 0, we will just return a list of lower and upper. If the first element is greater than the lower, we will append lower and first element minus 1. If nums of 0 greater than lower, we will append a list of lower, comma, nums of 0 minus 1. We will iterate from the second element to the end of the list. For I in range of 1, comma, length of nums, if the previous number plus 1 is not equal to the current number, then that means that there is a missing range. If nums of I minus 1 plus 1 not equal to nums of I, result dot append a list of nums of I minus 1 plus 1, comma, current number minus 1, nums of I minus 1. If the last number is less than the upper, we will again do the append. If nums of minus 1 less than upper, result dot append of list of last number plus 1, nums of minus 1 plus 1, comma, upper. That's pretty much it. Now we will return the result. Return result. We will submit it. The solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in yet another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.